Okay, it's now the time of the Startech CN Plus, the CNC boring machine. Now Paolo is scanning the label of the first panel with the scanning tool included in the machine, and is checking that the machine system uploaded the correct information on the program to use, and proceed positioning the first panel on the machine. And now he pushed the start button. The Startech CM Plus is equipped with an automatic side alignment device that is a unique feature on this level of machine. The machine is also able to read the real dimension of the loaded panel, and if they don't match with the ones in the program, the system displays an alert message. The system will alert you even if the panel is not positioned in the correct direction. In this way, there is no space for mistakes. As you can see, no operator intervention is requested in this phase. The machine will perform all the processing and the panel comes out completely manufactured. The Startech CM Plus has been designed for small, medium woodworking workshops and for larger companies that produce customized products. This is an automatic drilling grooving machine which stands out for the high power of the drilling head and a high speed. Axis speed is 40 meters per minute. Let's dig a little deeper in the machine while Paolo is completing all the processing on the panels. We want to understand the full potential of this very interesting machine. This machine is effective because the operating unit is positioned above the panel and allow you to have a very clean and precise working. Furthermore, any eventual panel thickness imperfection will be hidden inside the furniture where you cannot see it. The versatility is maximum. The machine version with routing unit with electrospindle 5.5 kilowatt motor power is suitable for all machining. As already mentioned, the Startech CM Plus is totally automatic. Thanks to the automatic side alignment device, the panel is loaded into the machine and recovered at the end of the processing without any further intervention required by the operator. Speaking about software, a 19 inches PC with integrated Maestro software developed by SCM is on board. In our case, all the cutting presets are already uploaded on the machine, but in general you have two options. The drilling routing programs can be created directly on the machine through the Maestro software, or they can be imported using post-processor software, which are converters that allow us to upload and use the machining program we previously created with commercial design software. As you see, the scanning tool is very useful because it allows you to save time and to avoid making mistakes. Because when you scan the label on the panel, the machine system understands the type of program he needs to launch on the machine for the processing. Speaking about the drilling head that you see at work here, the machine can be equipped with the new F23 drilling head that has 13 vertical spindles and 10 horizontal spindles, plus one saw blade. Furthermore, the machine can also have a router. And as you can see, the overall dimensions are very compact. Only 5 square meters allow you to install the machine in reduced spaces. The information that we have on the label that are on every single panel are very useful and brought the information through all the cells, starting from the class peaks circular saw, then to the Startech CM Plus CNC boring machine, and at the end, at the ME40 edge benders. These information are the same that allow us to understand exactly the processing we need to do on that particular panel. And this is the reason why we call the cell a fully integrated system, because the information goes through all the three machines. As you can see, Paolo is very relaxed because the machine is doing all the processing by itself. So no fear to mistakes or something like that. The whole process is very fast. In fact, you can see that we processed something like 6 panels in 4 minutes or something like that. Clean work, automatic, dream come true. Okay, now we completed all the processing on this machine and we are ready to approach the final phase of the processing, the edge banding. Let's check the last machine.